YouTubers, what's up? I've been really lax about hiking lately. I've been working in a FedEx warehouse, so it's been taking up most of my time, and then on weekends I'm just kind of recovering from all that physical work, mostly working with college age kids, and I'm in my 50s throwing boxes around. So that's my excuse for not hiking. But it's a new year. We've got a lot of hiking planned this year, just not today. I was gonna go for a hike yesterday, and there was a wind warning, and decided not to go. But we got a little bit of snow today. I'm walking the dog, and the video I wanted to do was a Swiss Army knife video, because some of you actually watch my Swiss Army knife videos. I actually get more views on Swiss Army knife videos than I do on hiking videos, to be honest. So, and I'm just a Swiss Army knife nut. The thing that's kind of gotten me back thinking about Swiss Army knives is I've been carrying two different knives every day. I thought I lost one, I started carrying the other, and then I found the first. That's how it works for me. That's why I have multiple of everything. I don't worry about losing stuff. I just grab another one, and then eventually I find the first one. Does anyone else do that? I don't know. I don't really have any excuses for how many Huntsman Swiss Army knives I have. I've got 6 in my pocket right now, because I was thinking, how many do I have? And I started digging them out of my car, out of my day pack, out of my little box that I keep my collection in, out of my backpack. I came up with 6. It could have been worse. I also have a climber in my pocket. It's going to get special mention at the end. So these are the Six Huntsmen. I could tell you a little bit about each one. This is the oldest of them. This is actually the same Huntsman that I carried on the PCT. I just put new scales on it because the old scales had been scratched up and burnt from putting smoking materials out. I don't use it that much anymore. It's got a bent saw. I just wanted to kind of keep this one because it's the oldest Huntsman I have. This is the one I carried on the CDT. I'm still carrying. I'll have it this summer with me. This is the fire starter, which is in another video. This wood one of my favorites. I keep that in my day pack. Here's the yellow one I carried on the long trail. I don't know why I got this green one, because this was really fine. I should have carried it on the CDT too. This black one is just my black Huntsman. Nice knife. I don't use it very much. Keep it in good condition. And here's another used Huntsman that I got off eBay, and used it as my everyday carry for quite a while. That's the Six Huntsmen. The creek got up the other night. We had a lot of rain. Do we need to go over the accessories on a Huntsman? It's on another video anyway. Basically, you got your saw, your scissors, your large knife, your small knife, your can opener, bottle cap lifter, and the associated screwdrivers with those two. Corkscrew. So it's got the punch, the toothpick, and the tweezers. And I sometimes put different tools in those slots, and also into the corkscrew, which holds different tools. So the Huntsman's my favorite. You guys that have watched others videos of mine know that. I keep looking for a better knife, but have not found one yet, at least for what I do. I don't carry a Huntsman every day because they're a little big in the pocket. Well, you could still do it, but I've been carrying a Spartan and a Bantom to the warehouse lately. So here's what I've been carrying lately to work, mostly cutting the plastic off of pallets of boxes. But the Bantom, right, just the blade and the tool for opening cans and lifting bottle caps. It's a multi-tool. It's got the toothpick and tweezers. And your Spartan, everybody should know what a Spartan is. The most basic of Swiss Army knives. This one is actually fell out of my pocket and was in the driveway and got run over a couple times. And you can see no worse for wear. Large, small blade, the bottle cap lifter, can opener combo, corkscrew, and punch. Very simple. You got your toothpick and tweezers. So those are both good knives. Something easy to slide in your pocket. You can get past security without raising any eyebrows. And just handy knives to have. Not expensive either, especially if you get a used one. That's right. An AMC Victorinox climber. When I saw this for sale on eBay, I had to get it. Still cheaper than a new one, too. Tell me about your favorite Swiss Army knife. I want to hear it in the comments. Also, please like and subscribe if you've made it this far in this video.